A warm good morning to you all. It's me Indramani Gemali, Math Facilitator. Welcome you all in today's session. So let me connect today's class with previous class that was on Friday. So on Friday we learned some factorization based on a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube form, and then some other factorizations, quadratic expressions or a square minus b square form. So in today's class, first of all, we are going to learn some factorizations based on a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube form. Then after completing factorization, we will move into the next topic, HCF and LCM, because in HCF and LCM we should know what is factorization, how do we factorize different types of algebraic expressions. After that, we will clearly understand the idea, we will get the concept of HCF and LCM. So that's why I'm making background for HCF and LCM by knowing all type of factorizations. So let me write some formulas here. A cube plus b cube. What are the factors of a cube plus b cube? It's factor a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So these are the factors, a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So these two are the factors of a cube plus b cube. When we multiply, we can try this. If we multiply these two factors, we will get the expression a cube plus b cube. Similarly, what are factors of a cube minus b cube? A minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. In a cube plus b cube, the first factor is a plus b, positive sign. First factor is a plus b. In a cube minus b cube, the first factor is a minus b, the negative sign. Let me take some questions which are related to these two formulas. These are the factors. I hope we are clear now what is the meaning of factor, what is expanded form, what is difference of factors and expanded form in any algebraic expression or algebraic identities. Here, so I am taking one question, 8 a to the power 4 plus 125a. I am taking this question and we are factorizing this. Let's look at the first term. First term is 8 times a to the power 4 plus 125 times a. What is the first step or basic concept of factorization? First of all, we try to find out some common factors from all the terms in an in algebraic expression. So we will try to find out common factor. If there is any common factor, we take common, and then in the next step we try to convert into one of the formula. We will factorize the expression. Let's try now this. What is the algebraic expression? 8 a to the power 4 plus 125 a. What is common? What is the common factor? We can check. Is there any common factor in between 8 and 125? No. Now let's say what is common later. A to the power 4 plus 125a. Here among a to the power 4 and a is common. So let's take first of all common. What is common? A. Now what are the remaining terms? What is the term left in first? 8 a cube plus 125. After taking a common here, a common, out of 4 a's, I took a common, so there are 3 a's left in the first term. So it is 8 a to the power 3 or 8 a cube plus 125. Now, among different formulas that we know, like a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube, a plus b whole square, a square minus b square, let's try to match one of the formula that we can use here. Let's try to convert this into, we can say we can get the hint from the first term. Here is a cube and its coefficient is 8. Is it possible to convert this into a cube plus b cube form? Let's try this. If we can convert into a cube plus b cube, we can use this formula and factorize this. A as it is, can we convert 8a cube into a perfect cube? Yes, obviously we can. This is 2a whole cube, because what is 2 power 3? 8. A whole cube is a cube simply, plus 125 is 5 cube. Okay, 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. Now look at the term in a bracket. There are two terms, 2a whole cube plus 5 cube. It's similar, or this is in the form of a cube plus b cube, and we know its factors are a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So what is a here? A is this first term. This is, let's say this is a and this one is b. I'm using here capital A and B because small a is present in the expression itself. So a cube plus b cube. What is a? 2a. What is b? 5. Let's convert into the formula a cube plus b cube. Okay, this is equal to a as it is. What is the first factor of a cube plus b cube? First is a plus b. So here is a is 2a and b is 5. So a plus b, 2a plus 5, a plus b times a is square. What is a? 2a. So a is square, 2a whole is square minus ab. A is 2a times what is b? 5. A is square minus a b. A is 2a and b is 5 plus b square plus 5 is square. Okay, let me move in the next step. A times 2a plus 5. Now we can expand this. 2a whole square is 4a square minus this is 10a plus 25. This is the way how do we factorize this expression. First of all, in all algebraic expression, in any algebraic expression, after taking the question, what we need to do here? In the first step, we try to find common factor if there is any. If not, we simply try to use one of the formula out of the many formulas which we know in algebra. A square minus b square, a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube, and so on. There are many. And then we will factorize and get the factors of algebraic expression. After doing this, now we have practiced lots of factorizations starting from first day up to today and today. So I'm going to complete factorization topic, and we will begin next topic HCF and LCM in the next class. So still some of the factorizations are left, so I'm discussing now next. Again, the next example, let's take next example which is similar either in a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube form. We will know. Let me write a question here. 8x cube minus 20 x is square y plus 30 y square x, 30 y square x, or we can take it, what is the first term? 8x cube minus 20x square y plus 30 okay x y square, it's same, minus 27 y cube. How many terms are present in this algebraic expression? 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms. There are 4 terms in algebraic expression and we are trying to factorize this. How is it possible? Let's think. Can we simply take common from first 2 terms and next 2 terms and then factorize? Let's try by taking common factors, common, and think. If we cannot do that, there is another way. If we look at first and last term here, first term is 8x cube. What is last term? 27y cube. If we arrange these 2 terms, if we put these 2 terms together, first and last term, we can change into a square minus b square form, and then we can take common from this second and third term. So what are the factors of a cube minus b cube? A minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So these 2 are the factors of a cube minus b cube. So let me arrange the terms. I'm putting first and last term here. 8x cube minus 27y cube minus 20x square y plus 30xy square. 30xy square. Why I am doing this? The reason is only to factorize this expression. If we do not arrange this, there are many ways. So I have said in previous classes, in factorization there is no exact hard and fast rule. After getting the concept of different factorizations and practice questions, we will obviously develop the idea how to factorize such expressions. So to get the factors of this expression, I am taking first and this last term together here. Just look at first 2 terms. Look at these 2 terms. So I am underlining these 2 terms. This is in the form of a cube minus b cube. We can change this into a cube minus b cube form. So I am doing this here. So 8x cube is 2x whole cube minus 27y cube is 3y whole cube minus, let me write these 2 terms as it is for now. Okay. Again, first 2 terms, 2x whole cube minus 3y whole cube, it goes into a cube minus b cube form. A cube minus b cube form. So a cube minus b cube. We know the factors a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So we are changing into this form. What is a? A is the first term here, 2x. So first factor is a minus b. 2x minus, what is b? 3y. A minus b. What is first term of the second factor? A square. A is 2x, so it's square 2x whole square plus ab. A is 2x times what is b? 3y plus b square is 3y whole square. Okay, let me repeat this again. These 2 are the factors of a cube minus b cube expression. So what is a in this case? 2x, b is 3y. So first factor is a minus b. So a is this is a minus b times a square plus this is a and this one is b, ab plus b square. A minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Now can we take common from minus 20x square y plus 30xy square? Let's take common. negative sign as it is. What is common? 10xy. What is common from 20 and 30? We can factorize and try. 10 is the common factor because 20 and 30 both are divisible by 10. X is common in these two terms and y is also 1y is common. Now, after taking minus 10y common, what are the terms left in the bracket? 10 2 times is 20, 2x minus, because minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus, minus 3 times 10 multiplied by 3 is 30, xy times we need 1y, 3y. Okay, now we can see what is common again. 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y. This is common. In factorization, we always try to find common factor so that we can easily factorize algebraic expression. So what is the common factor? Here common factor is 2x minus 3y times. Now what are the terms left? This entire term is left. What is 2x? What is square? 4x is squared plus 6xy plus 9y is squared minus 10xy. 2x minus 3y as it is. Now we can add or subtract the like terms. Plus 6xy minus 10xy. So 4x is square, same. What is plus 6 minus 10? Negative 4xy plus 9y is square. So this is the simplest form, and these are the two factors. If there is chance of factorizing again this factor, we need to try it. If there is chance of splitting this into smaller factors, we need to keep on trying. If this is the lowest factor, then these are the two factors of this expression. Now these two are the factors of this expression. 8x cube minus 20x square y plus 30xy square minus 27y cube. I hope so you are getting this. We are almost about the end of this topic, factorization. For this, now let me take one more question here. Again, this question is based on quadratic expression. Based on quadratic expression, here question says the area of, let me write a question here, the area of a rectangular field is, area of a rectangular field is x is square plus 8x plus 15 square meter. What are the length and breadth? So this is area of a rectangular field, and we are asked to find what are the lengths. This is area, and we are asked to find what is length, what are length and breadth. We know simply what is area. Area is length times breadth. This is the basic formula, basic concept of area. And here we can say L and B are the factors of area. Or suppose if 40 square meter is area of any rectangular field, area of any object, what are the length and breadth? There are different possible answers. We can factorize this. We can factorize this. in different ways. 10 times 4 is 40. So we can consider 10 is length, 4 is breadth. There are other ways we can factorize this. Okay, 8 times 5 is also 40. We can consider 8 is length and 5 is breadth. Here what? So I'm explaining is, when we know the area of any rectangular field or any object, we can split this and get length and breadth, because length times breadth gives area. So here this is a expression, this is algebraic expression, and according to this question this is the area. Now we are asked to find length and breadth. For this, simply let's factorize this like in this example. 40 is area, and we factorize this into 40 and 4 are the factors. Among different factors, these two are the factors. I took here 10 is length, I consider 10 is length and 4 is breadth. Similarly, there are other possibilities. So let's factorize this algebraic expression and get what are the length and breadth. I am taking this algebraic expression here. So x is square plus 8x plus 15. In fact, this is area of rectangular field. In previous class, I have discussed how do we factorize such expression which is in the form of ax is square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. What is a? A is x is square coefficient. I am saying this is quadratic expression. If a becomes 0, then the first term will be 0, and only the remaining term will be bx plus c, and this quadratic expression reduces to linear. That's why I'm saying here a is not equal to 0. So what is a? Here a is x is square coefficient 1. What is c? Constant term is 15. In such case, we need to find product of two numbers, constant term and coefficient of x is square. What is product of 15 and 1? Is 15. Product of two numbers is 15, and sum should be coefficient of x 8. For this, let's factorize 15 and find out two numbers whose product is 15 and sum is 8. We can do this by factorizing 15. 3 times of 5 is 15. So obviously two numbers are 5 and 3. Product of 5 and 3 is 15. And what is sum of 5 and 3? 8. We can factorize this. Taking two numbers, we are splitting in fact middle term. X is square plus 5 plus 3 times of x plus 15. We can open bracket. X is square plus 5x plus 3x plus 15. Now we can take common. What is common from first two terms? X is common, so x plus 5 plus what is common from here? 3 is common, x plus 5. So again x plus 5, we can say this is a common factor, x plus 5 times x plus 3. So in fact this is area. We factorized this algebraic expression into two factors, x plus 5 and x plus 3. So therefore we can write here one is length is x plus 5 and breadth is x plus 3. So length is, we can consider x plus 5 meter is length, and what is breadth? Breadth is x plus 3 meter, because length and breadth are the factors of the area. So here this is the expression we factorized and got two factors, x plus 5, x plus 3. So these two are length and breadth. Similarly, if we are asked to find what is the perimeter, we can use simple concept of perimeter. perimeter is sum of all sides of the figure. Suppose this is a rectangle here. In rectangle, opposite sides are parallel and equal, and its angle is 90. What is length? So I am supposing x plus 5, one of the factor, x plus 5 meter is length, and what is breadth? X plus 3 meter is breadth. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is sum of four sides. So x plus 5, this also x plus 5, x plus 3, this also x plus 3, or we can direct use formula of twice L plus B. This is the area or formula to find, perimeter of rectangular field or rectangle. Or simply we can add what is the length. This is x plus 5 meter, and what is measure of this side? X plus 3 meter. So length plus breadth is perimeter of this rectangular field. This is all about factorization. We discussed up to today's class factorization based on different algebraic identities like a square plus b square, a square minus b square, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube, and so on. Now, after knowing the concept of factorization, it helps all or to use concept. It helps us to transform this concept into next topic, HCF and LCM. So we will discuss about HCF and LCM in our next class. But the basic concept, we know what is HCF, what is LCM. We will take some of the algebraic expression and practice questions after getting what is concept of HCF and LCM. So thank you everyone for watching, and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you all.